So, you guys are currently being tripoded on forks because I cannot think of anything else to tripod you guys on. But right now I am currently making oatmeal chocolate chip cookies because I'm feeling anxious and in the mood for something sweet. Do you see this? What? I think I'm gonna have to knead it with my hands. So I'm gonna wash them. Wanna see? Can you see it, guys? I'm sorry. It's not focusing. Can you see it now? So how's your day going? Well, I don't know because I can't hear you. And because there's probably like only 2 people who are going to watch this, so I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm sorry. And here are the cookies. That's the bowl. Lola! You got a skirt. Or stay there. Okay. Go ahead. No. You're not seeing Daisy. Put in the cookies in the oven. And we'll put the timer on for 9 minutes. Lola. Love me. Oh my god, you pulled my pants down. Oh, there's a butt in my fist. Oh my goodness. So we got 5 minutes left on the oven, and with those 5 minutes, I'm going to start packing because we are leaving for Disney next week. I have packed my bathing suits. I got 2 pairs, and then my pajamas, which I also have 2 pairs of. My sunglasses in a case, and then the painted rocks I leave out for people to find, and then tag me on Instagram. Let's see. Oh man, I think these smudged. It's okay. Here we go. Ohana. Ta-da! So it is much later, like 12 a.m. But I am like 85% done with packing. I went to yoga and then I just stayed at the yoga studio for a while, and now I'm going to take a shower, and I had cookies with me. Oh, there, right there. And I'm still eating those cookies because they're so good. But I just want to say goodnight, and yeah.